Good afternoon everyone! Andito na naman tayo. Kakain tayo ngayon kakain tayo sa buffet. Sa? Hyatt Hotel. Yan ang mga kakain.
Makikita ko si Shrek ulit.
Makikita nyo si Shrek dahil meron dong park na may mga kwan. May mga tawag doon din. May mga Disney stuff. Yan o. Tia o. Kakain yan later. Yun lang. Bago kami kumain, kailangan muna naming suungin ang matinding traffic. Ayan, traffic. Sige po, ilang oras kami bago dumating as per Waze. Siguro mga 2 hours yung biyahe. Okay, mamaya ulit. Ayan na oh. Grabe traffic oh. Woo! Mga kasama ko gutom na oh. Oh, ayan si baby oh. Maraming cake doon, may pizza pati. Mama Kim. Mami. Nauna na sila sa akin. So ako lang mag-isa. Galing party. Yeah! Kainan time! Woohoo! Hanapin na natin sila.
Kuha na daw tayo ng food kasi upo na tayo. Kapag upo natin, lalabas na yung cake. Kaya tayo lang hinihintay.
Kami na pala hinihintay. Ito na yung food oh. Pizza oh. Ito.
Hindi, pati ka muna doon.
Bati muna ako. Food. Yun sila oh. Hello. Bro, grabe 19 kilometers lang oh. Tapos 3 hours yung traffic. Tindi men. We're the birthday celebrant. Happy birthday. Tulog. Gising na gising. Hello. Oh, vlogger tayo ngayon. Going have a beer. Of course, beer. You know. Ito. Pale. Ito yung baso. Thank you. Yan ang mauuna syempre. Bago ang lahat. Oh, ha? Thank you. Yun oh. Oh, asa yung bote mo? Yung bote mo? Ay, siyempre, wala tayong sasayangin oras. Oh, tapos cold cuts. Cold cuts naman. Ayan o, si Ate Dory, no? Oh. Busog na. Cold cuts naman tayo. Mamumulutan muna tayo. Ayun, no? Perfect. May salami. Isan yung ano nila rito. Ang platuhan nila rito. So, sa baba.
Hindi ba obvious? Sabi mo, di ba obvious?
First plate, masarap yung pizza. Ayun. Cold cuts muna, tapos pizza, tapos mamaya babanatan natin yung mga nandito. You know? Yan, pang beer.
Pwede ako mag-makeup?
Oo naman. Pwede mag-makeup ka eh, kumakain tayo dito. Itong cheese na to, sarap pa. Try natin lagyan nito kaysa naman. The best. May ulit. Happy birthday. Ayan o. Pa-practice, magpa-practice. Another one, another one. Ito yung pang-round 2 natin, seafood. Oh. Wasari. Kahit sweet ano. Mga ilan-ilan lang. Ayan, okay na yan. Lahat na, lahat. Kasi yan.
Sir, dun ka na lang, sir. Parang mas... Happy birthday! Hello! Ayun o! Ito! So ayan, tapos na tayo mamili nung pang second plate natin. Pero hindi yata ito. Papaluto muna natin ito. Dito ba? Dito? Ayun o.
Ito po yung choices natin, sir. Chili garlic, buttered garlic,
buttered garlic.
buttered garlic. Not buttered garlic.
Thank you very much. Siyempre, habang naghihintay tayo, tingin muna tayo ng ibang mabilis malusaw na mga pagkain like this one. Ayan o. Seafood. Tapos ito, uy. Ganyan itong... Ito, uy, tempura. Uy, may lechong kawali. Uy, grabe. At ay, nako. Ito mamaya lagot sa akin. Yan. Yan ang babalik-balikan ko. Nako, gandito sa dulo. Yari ito. Oh. Ito, lamb. Yan o. Hindi pwedeng palagpasin niya, men. Dapat meron tayo niyan. Okay, mamaya yung mga drinks nila. Tapos ngayon, nare-request tayo ng white wine. White wine, please. Yan. Kasi best paired yan sa mga seafood. Oh my God. Ito mo naman, nag-yelo pa yung half empty, half full. Please. That's how we do it in Italia. Half empty. So ito yung aking second and third plate. Seafood paired with ice cold wine. Ito rin, tempura. Ano to babe? Yung chicken? chicken buffalo wings, no? Tapos ito lang yung pork na ano. Tapos ito, babe, you should try this one, lamb. May lamb tayong nakuha. I don't know, babe, lamb. Paired with beer na yan, Ito, second bottle ko ng beer. So yun, tapos na yung aking ito, pang third bottle ko na ng ano, ng beer. Tapos di pa ubos yung first bottle of wine. Tapos na yung tempura, naka-pizza ako. Tapos 2 slice of yung cheese, ang sarap, grabe. Tapos ito ngayon, share kami ni Tanea. Babanatan ko lang dyan ito eh. Tagahimay lang ako ng heat. Ito yung aming little princess. Knockout. Mamaya ulit. Mag-steak pa ako. Nagre-reserve pa ako ng steak. Tapos dessert. So, dito na tayo. Ayos. Okay na yan, bro. 1 and 1/4 lang. 1 and 1/4 lang. Alright. Wow. Oo, para lang medium rare. Okay. Okay. Konti lang. Mamaya ako babalikan yan pag okay. Okay na yan, okay na yan. Oh, sige. Dalaway mo na. Ayan. Etong chicken, ano yan? Ano to?
Chicken, sir.
Ayoko yan.
Ito po, may sauce po tayo. May sauce ng rice.
Hindi ko na na-record. Pero nag-steak ako. Ewan ko na-record ko ba. Pero apat ko na beer, tapos isang buong white wine. Tapos ito yung natira. Baby back ribs. Wala nang steak kanina rito. For the record. Yung dessert tayo ngayon. So, naliban dito sa akin, hindi ko na na-record yung pang 50, pero pang 6 ko na to. Ito yung mga dessert. Tapos ayun po, leche flan. Ewan ko ano to. Basta kakainin ko na lang yan.
Ayan.
6-seater nila.
Whoop!
Kasama upuan.
Wala.
Ito baby. So pinsan niya? Oo. Pinsan niya.
Second kasi.
Oh. Eh, mga daddy, oh.
Sama mo yung mga kalbo.
Asan? Mga kalbo.
Baby mo! Wala mo ako.
Baby mo, di ba lumayas?
Baby mo, ayan. Yan ang pinakamalaki baby.
Punggo lang yun eh. Parang punggo lang yun eh.
Busog na.
Tambay na lang.
Tambay na lang. Hindi ba masyadong seryoso itong dalawa?
Careful ha, chismis.
Na-download, i-upload niya yan sa ano niya, sa channel niya.
Tapos nagsabi ako na ito kalaman, ano to, makasya.
Crazy! Busog ka na?
Yes. Meron pa. Para sa dessert. Eto.
Tsaka pag yun. Pag nakapula-pula. Ito kasi kulay lang ang pagkapula niya.
You like macarons though? You like that one? Hey, someone's asking you, oh, Tita's asking you, you like that one? Say thank you. Sweet macaron. Go.
Anong kinakain yan?
Ice cream.
Ano yan?
Ice cream
Si
shake.
Mami. Ba't di mo makain, Mami?
Wala lang.
Anong wala lang? Ako nga busog na.
Kala ko mainit eh. Nahinawa ka mo? Hindi, no?
Baka yakap mo lang. Sa taas din ang off ng cup. Ito. Ah,
So
sige.
today we're on a store. Hi vlog! Today we're at a store. Here's my friends. Ayo, come back here. Okay, don't come down there. Here's. Can I see the quality? Okay, you can see it here. Here's the. And then we're going up today. Here's the. Wait, do it like this. Was that cool? So once, here's the other one. Ooh, please. No, it's gonna ruin it. No, you're ruining it. This is a new character. Here it is. Not that fast. Like this. He's hearing you. Slow down. No, but not in walking. You could run like this. Hey! No! That's brand new character. Okay, don't care with that. You little dirty button. Ah! Stop! Okay, here's the other food. Here's the other one. Whatever you want. Someone's catching me! Someone keeps on catching me.
Okay, run! La. Yeah. Kulitan with the kids. Tapos ito. Oh. The walking pacifier. The walking pacifier. Busog. Dami. Pang ilang beer ko na to. Hindi ko na na-record eh. Beer, tas yung dessert. Ito. Yung cake. Tapos, grabe yung sarap ng isang dessert.
Go, walk there. Over. Come here. Sige na, ikaw na magtulak kay Easy. You push Easy. You push Easy. Go. Hi.
Dito mo po sobrang lapit. Dia, let's play now with Digibay.
Say hi.
Persian baby. Ay, Persian baby.
Hello.
Watch. Look.
Oh, you play now. You play. Go.
Hey! Busog! Okay. Oh. Tia.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm Mika.
Hey! Ay, ikaw mag-vlog. Let's go!
Hi, Gag.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Haya.
Nandito naman kami sa Haya. Dito na. Say hi. Hi.
You're gonna get ice cream.
Can I say hi? Say hi.
I thought you're gonna get ice cream. The ice cream's ready.
So, ang dito na kami nagbablog. Ah! Stop! Not again! Blood! They're catching me again! Blood! No! No! Hold my later! Gone? They're gone. Okay, vlog! That was kind of annoying. First chase me. So, dito na tayo. Kukuha ako ng ice cream. So, dito na tayo. This is my baby. This is my baby. Hello. Guys, yeah. So, papunta na kami. Off we go. Papunta na ako sa ice cream! Papunta na! Ice cream's gonna be ready! Bill! Christmas is coming to town. Say, we're gonna get ice cream. Yeah, we are. Wait, vlog? Where are they selling shoes? Why are they selling shoes, vlog? Okay, where you go? I did this. And you can block it. Can hold it. No, I can hold it too, so because you don't know how. Oh, andito na tayo. Dito na tayo. Andito si Easy. Sige, Mommy and Easy. Now, this vanilla ice cream. Vanilla, bye, vlog. Guys, andito si Easy. Say hi, Shoti. Say hi, Shoti. Shoti. Say hi. Hi. I'm gonna tag you. No, they're catching me again. No. Save my life. Somebody save me. Save me. Somebody, this is Shadi. Shadi. Are they gone? Are they gone? Yeah, they're gone. They're gone. Okay, where's Shorty going? Where's Shorty going? Shorty? Where are you going? Shorty? Shorty? Shorty! Not again! Stop! Stop! No! No! I know that it's so hard! Shorty! Shorty! That was Stop it! Say hi! Hello! Okay, no! Can I borrow? No! Someone got me! No! Someone! He got the... Don't turn back. Ano nangyari si vlog is over. Shorty keeps on chasing me. At least I got away with that. No, cool it, kids. Now they're gonna catch me. We're over. They keep on chasing me. Okay.
Kiss mommy.
Say bye to the vlog. Bye vlog.
You did not kiss mommy. You show it to the vlog.
Okay. Bye.
Kiss mommy. Upo na. Pahinga na. Pahinga.
Alis muna. Bye vlog.
Okay. Busog. Ang mga busog. Ito yung mga... mga hindi pa busog-busog. Pero hindi rin malasing-lasing. Hindi na alam kung ano meron eh. The cafe. DJI. DJI.
Oh, ito na picture na daw. Sige na, baby. Ay, video pa yan? Naloloko mo ba kami din? Sabi ko, picture na. It's going home time. Hi, Dean.
Bye-bye guys. Happy birthday, Ate Florence. And hi, baby IZ.
Hello.
This is your Tinong. Very, very good looking Tinong. And you're very, very good looking Tinong. Bye-bye.
Ayan na naman. Hello. Tita. Tita. Hello. Hi.
Hello ba?
Hello. Kuya. Bye. Hello. Oh, thank you for the invite. And the birthday girl. Here. Huh? Of course. Miss Claire. And the daddy. Daddy
Yeah.
now. Yeah. Up, where are you going?
We're going.
Oh, don't touch it, no, don't touch it.
Please.
No.
We're going. Can you ihabol mo camera? Brother, why does that keep on happening? Get the sniper off of my... No! It's still coming from me! Running from my money. Dear. Nice! Yeah, I know. The decider of my own brain. Yeah. Sorry. Stop. Sorry. It's not over. Yeah. Mommy, can you help me? These nightmares won't stop. Video me.
No.
There's that. This nightmare is gonna go off. Okay, bye.
Babay na bigla ko, miss mo na ako. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Go!